We need to write the most reasonable metric unit in each blank. Choose from liters, milliliters, kilograms, grams, and milligrams. Now all of these are metric units, so if you lived in the US most of your life, you're probably not real familiar with them. The first two, liters and milliliters, those are measurements of volume, meaning how much something will hold. Usually they have to do with liquids. Now a liter is probably the one you're most familiar with. Here in the US they sell soda in 2-liter bottles. So half of that would be 1 liter. And sometimes you can find 1 liter bottles like of water. Also, a liter is about the same as a quart. So if you buy maybe milk in a quart size package, that's pretty much the same as a liter, to give you an idea of that. Now milliliters are very small. Okay, 1,000 of them make a liter. Children and infants are often given medicine in milliliter doses. So they use little eyedroppers that just hold this very small amount. So we'll have to look at both the number that's given as well as what are we measuring here to help choose between those two. The other three, kilograms, grams, and milligrams, those are all measurements of weight, how heavy something is. We would measure with pounds or ounces or tons. They have kilograms, grams, and milligrams. Now, gram is the main unit, but it's a very small measurement. 1 gram is about the weight of a $1 bill, so that's not very heavy. If you measured a nickel, that weighs about 5 grams. So those measurements, or a gram is not very big. If you have 1,000 of them, that makes a kilogram. If we're comparing a kilogram to pounds, a kilogram is about 2 pounds. So if it's something that you'd measure in pounds, you'd probably measure it with kilograms. And then milligrams are very, very small. Mostly that's measured for medicines, okay, where you're just giving very small doses of something. So let's try these problems. The eyedropper holds 1 something here. So it's an eyedropper, it's probably holding a liquid, so that would be volume. And eyedroppers don't hold very much, so this would be 1 milliliter. Okay, Loretta's hammer weighed 650 somethings. Okay, we have to think about what would we measure it in. We'd probably measure with pounds, but it's 650. So at 650, that would be very heavy with kilograms. So this would really be more like grams that it would have been measured in. Yangshu's suitcase weighed 20 something when it was packed. Suitcases are usually pretty heavy, and so 20 kilograms, that makes sense. And my fish tank holds 80 somethings of water. Well, we're holding a liquid, so liquids are volume, and fish tank needs quite a bit of water, so it would need 80 liters.